Okay, we're going to do section 4.6, which is multiplying powers, multiplying monomials, and dividing powers. It's really very easy. So when you look at this, what you have to see is that you have the same base. And when you have the same base, all you need to do is really add exponents. Because really, it's just 3 to the 10th power. So same base, multiplication, add exponents. If it was the same base and addition, like this, you can't do anything. You would have to do 3 to the 4th, 3 to the 6th, and then add those two numbers. So this only occurs, this method only can happen when you're multiplying the same base, add exponents. Because really it's the same thing as 3 times itself 4 times and 3 times itself 6 times. So really that's a total of 10 3s being multiplied to itself, which is why it's 3 to the 10th, okay? Same base, add exponents. Same base, add exponents. Don't forget when there's nothing there, there's actually a 1. So with this one, you would want to use your properties that you learned about. So I'm using the commutative property and the associative property to regroup these the way I want to see them. And then I can go ahead and combine my information. P times P is P to the 7th power. And you're done. Make sure the negative comes out in the front. Go ahead and pause it and try these. W to the 7th and then negative 24, M to the 5th. When it's division, you're actually subtracting exponents. So when it's the same base, you're going to actually subtract exponents. Because if you think about it, if I have 11 8s on the top and I have 5 8s on the bottom, then 5 of those 8s can cancel 5 on the top, leaving only 6. So you use same base, subtract exponents. Same base, subtract exponents. Same base, subtract exponents. Here, if you folded a sheet of paper in half, you have a thickness of 2 sheets. Fold it again and you have a thickness of 4 sheets, and so on. How many times thicker is this sheet that has been folded 4 times than the sheet that has not been folded at all? So basically, you're just looking at 2 to the 4th power 4 times and 2 to the 0. And don't forget, anything to the 0 power is 1. So this is really going to be 2 to the 4th or 16. Same process with this one. 2 to the 8th divided by 2 to the 7th would be 2 to the 1st, which is 2 times faster. And that's it. It's really easy.